everyone, this is Abu from Lithium Power Mombasa. So today we are in Kombani to commission a 50 kilowatt solar system. This is a food processing plant that has 3-phase milling machines. So we have completed this project in 2 weeks. Basically what we have here is a 40 kilowatt power solar panels, 50 kilowatt solar system, and 20 kilowatt of lithium batteries. So what we have used here are good quality solar panels, JA brand from China. This is one of the best brands of solar panels in the world, as you know. So we are going to showcase everything that we have done, from the solar panels fitment, wiring of the solar panels to the inverter, the output from the inverter to the batteries, and we are also going to show how our system is powering the 3-phase milling machines available in this plant. So guys, behind me is the food processing plant. As you can see, you can clearly see our solar panels. We have a total of 66 solar panels. On this side we have 33 pieces, and the other side we have another 33 pieces. So let's get onto the roof. We see how our solar panels have been arranged and wired.
So guys, here is where we have laid our solar panels, very beautifully mounted. Here on this side we have 2 strings of 17 panels. On the other side we have 17 panels, 2 strings. We have used the professional equipment. As you can see, we have used aluminium mounting rails with mid clamps and end clamps. On the other side, the same thing applied.
This is now our equipment. This is the powerhouse. As you can see, this wall has been well tiled. We are the ones who advise the customer to tile this wall so that we can protect these machines from moist, because when it rains, the water can penetrate through these walls and it might end up affecting our machines. At the same time, these areas are prone to dust, so these tiles are at least protecting our machines from dust. So guys, this is their 50 kilowatt 3-phase inverter. Here we have lithium batteries. Each is 5 kilowatt. So this is a stack of 4, making up to 20 kilowatt. So maybe guys, you can come closer so that we showcase our protective devices. We have really considered protection of this system all the way from the solar panels up to the inverter. So everything is protected right here. So over here we have the PV fuse. This PV fuse carries up to 1000 volts, though our solar panels are bringing up to 850 volts. After the PV fuse, we have the DC surge protective devices. We also have the DC MCB. All these are meant to protect the system. Grounding has also been done on our system all the way from the solar panels. We have done grounding, which goes all the way up to outside. So over here we have the battery fuse. This one acts as a protection between the inverter and the batteries. In case there is any short circuit from the batteries, it's not going to travel all the way to the inverter. And in case there is any problem from the inverter, it's not going to travel all the way to the battery. So this is a DC fuse which provides protection between these 2 equipment.
So guys, this is Engineer Oti. As you can see here, we have our AC MCCB. This one received the output from the inverter. This is a 3-phase AC MCCB. As you can see, at this point we have the red phase. This one is the yellow phase, the blue phase, and the neutral. It's a 4-pole MCCB. The output for this power from the inverter comes all the way to this manual changeover. As you can see here, at this point we have the red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and the neutral line.
So guys, as Engineer Oti had said about the power coming from our day inverter, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this is day 50 kilowatt. This is U-Home lithium batteries. These batteries are not the normal lithium batteries. These are high voltage batteries. Each battery carries around 51 volts. So right here we have 200 volts from this battery bank. Unlike other batteries where we have a nominal voltage of 48 to 50 volts, in this case we have 200 volts on our battery bank. This is because without 200 voltage on the battery, this inverter cannot start. The minimum voltage from this inverter is at least 160 volts to 600 volts. That's why we have high voltage batteries, U-Home 200 volts. So as he had said, power is coming from the inverter to our manual changeover switch. This is a 3-phase changeover switch which takes power all the way to the loads inside. So Engineer Oti will take us through the machines. He will first show us the power rating of each milling machine. We also have a dryer. He will show us the power rating, and we will operate these machines using solar today.
This is the milling plant. This is where all the operation will be taking place. Now let me go show you where we have our machines. Over here we have a starter for this motor. As you can see, this is a 3-phase industrial socket. This is where the power is coming from. Here are our conductors. This one is our indicators. This is the start, this one is the stop.
So guys, as Engineer Otenyo had said, the machines are 3-phase and you have seen the machines are running. So we are also going to start this small machine which is 6 kilowatt. After this we are going also to power that dryer which is around 4 kilowatt. So we are going to start this machine. The dryer is running. This is fully solar power. This is the last machine. This is a food dryer which is 4 kilowatt. As you can see, it's running. All this is purely from solar. There is no KPLC here. Purely solar power. As you can see, hii ni unga hii tayari tumesaga, naweza kula ugali. So mashini inaendelea kuzunguka na tutawasha hizi mashini zote then turudi kwa inverter. We want to show you what the inverter is reading. We need you to see the power coming from the inverter all the way to this machine from the screen. You'll be able to see how many kilowatts we are generating from our solar panels today. The machines are running currently, all 3. And as you can see over here, please just come closer so that our viewers can see. Remember when we started this video, the solar panels had almost 0 output, but currently the output is at 7 kilowatts. So each string is giving us power. The first string is giving us 1600, second one 1600, third one 1860, 1730. So it's fluctuating on the higher side. It's increasing gradually. So as you have seen, our solar power is sufficient because what we have on the rooftop is around 40 kilowatt power of solar panels. But what we are currently consuming is only 7 kilowatt. So these machines, as well as our solar panels, can power a lot of more loads. At this place, they will have offices, which will have air conditions. They will have water pumps. All those are going to be powered by our solar system that we have shown you today. So guys, I'm sure you are impressed by our work, our solar system that we have done at this place. So I'm very optimistic you are going to call us or visit our shop for your next solar project. We are based in Mombasa, directly opposite Stanbic Digo Road. Stanbic Digo Road is the one which is near Posta or Naivas. You can also call us on our phone numbers 0707 600 009 or 0728 820 511. And we are promising you that we are going to do a very good solar job for you. So call us at any time, or you can also visit our shop located in Mombasa CBD.